So this is Googly Business. You just type in google.com/business and we're going to click on Get on Google. So here is the world, and you type in your business name. If you're not on here, it's okay. You just click search and you're going to say you're not on here. So you go down to add your business right there at the bottom, and then you're just going to type in your business name, adjust the country, the city, state, zip, all that good stuff. Alright, so now it's narrowing it down. As you type in more information, it's going to give you a little push pin on the map when you're all done. And at the bottom there, these are the categories that I was talking about. So you're going to want to select one that's appropriate for your business. So in our case, internet marketing. You can type in something and it's going to update it as you continue to type. So we have internet marketing services. And then click continue. And if you don't already have a Google Plus page, it's going to ask you to create one, and it'll actually do it automatically. It's really fast. So just click continue again, and it'll have it all set up for you, and you just basically fill in the blanks at this point. You see, it's creating it for you. It's amazing. And then this is the verification process that I was talking about. You can do that later if you want. Boom! IMXL University up in the house. So let's skip the tour, and there you go. Now you're on the map. You're ready to set up your Google Plus page, and there at the top there in red you can see the verify section to get a phone call or a postcard sent to you. Pretty cool stuff.